HDB resale prices fell 0.3% in the second quarter. It's the largest decline since 2019 and follows a 0.1% decline in the previous quarter. Analysts say demand has softened amid economic uncertainty, a trend also seen across the private residential market. Claudia Lim with more.
With economic uncertainty weighing on sentiments and more new flats entering the market, house buyers are increasingly turning to more affordable options.
A lot of these buyers may have moved to BTO market instead of paying a high price in the resale market. And then we see this supply continue to be stepped out in the next 3 years. So we're going to see a lot more supply in the market. So the buyer have a lot more bargaining powers.
Prof Singh says these factors are putting downward pressure on resale prices. He adds that the trend could continue as more built-to-order flats reach their minimum occupation period, allowing owners to sell and adding to resale supply. But analysts say a price crash is unlikely.
HDB is not pushing out a sale of balance spread exercise at the end of the year. So buyers who really have a very urgent need for homes, they will look at the resale market, and that will actually provide some support in terms of the demand to the resale market and help to stabilize the HDB resale market side.
Meanwhile, private residential property prices continue to climb, rising 0.5% in the last quarter. Growth, however, slowed from the 0.9% recorded in the previous quarter. Analysts say the slower growth reflects a temporary lull in market activity, with both buyers and developers easing off during the June holiday season.
I think the second half and moving forward, the macro environment actually play a very important role determine the investment decision, because I think for this investor, they also have to look at economic situation, the cost of fund, especially the interest rate and so on, whether interest rate going to be adjusted in the next half years.
Until there's greater clarity on the economic outlook, analysts expect both buyers and investors to remain cautious.